Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Carolyn once again. Want to show you guys my meal prep for Friday. My breakfast is actually going to be what you guys see in that corner over there. It's an everything bagel. It's called Carb Me Not. It only has 3 grams of carb for the whole bagel with vegan turkey and sauerkraut. Right here we have the Mesa cereal that I drink with my protein shake. Yes, I do add it to my cereal. My kids think it's gross, but I love it. Right here I have pumpkin and kale. Delicious. My snacks were popcorn and carrots, and in a little tiny container I put some poppy seed salad dressing. The salad consisted of tomatoes, mixed spring greens, and romaine lettuce. And my water that you guys see in that corner. Have to drink water. I drink like about 3 of those big mugs per day. But yeah, this is my meal. My meals start from 9 a.m. and I stop eating like around 5 p.m. So this is breakfast, lunch, and dinner for that day. When I got home, I just did some yoga. I enjoyed every single bit of this meal. The pumpkin was something I became obsessed over. I had pumpkin for like 3 days. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. See you on the next one. Love you. Ciao. Mwah.